In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily sign up for a Netlify account step by step. Let's dive right in. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to any search engine. Type in Netlify to find the official website. Look for the link with the title that says Netlify. Push your ideas to the web. Click on this link and it will lead you to Netlify's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the sign up button. Typically, this will be prominently displayed on the page and might say something like sign up to deploy your project. Go ahead and click on this button. This will direct you to the sign up page. For today's demonstration, I'll use Gmail to create an account on Netlify because it's a straightforward and commonly used option. Now, if you choose to sign up with Gmail, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use with Netlify. Select your preferred account from the options shown and proceed. At this stage, you might see a button labeled Continue. Click on that to move forward in the process. Once you've selected your account, you're going to be guided through a series of forms or pages where you need to fill in your personal information. This is an important part of setting up your profile, so provide accurate details. This could include your name, email address if it's not automatically filled in, and possibly a few other personal details to personalize your account experience. As you proceed, keep an eye out for any additional prompts that might ask you to verify your account or consent to terms and conditions. It's important to give these a careful read through to understand what you're agreeing to. After completing these simple steps and ensuring all your information is accurate, you'll be on your way to accessing the powerful features that Netlify offers for deploying and managing your web projects. Once you've completed the sign up, your Netlify account is all set up, and you can start exploring its features. You can now begin by deploying your first project or tinkering with other options to tailor your Netlify experience to your needs. Remember, Netlify is a robust platform that supports various web development frameworks and workflows, offering you the flexibility to bring your ideas to the digital space with ease. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on how to set up a Netlify account. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who might be interested in exploring Netlify. Enjoy your journey with your newly created Netlify account.